Earlier this year, we announced Microsoft Smart Store Analytics, a cloud for retail offering designed to help store managers make sense of their in store data. Since then, store managers at a number of retailers have started using the app's Smart Store KPI tracking, data visualizations, and data science insights to optimize various aspects of their store operations for business benefit. In this video, I will walk us through the insights and recommendations section of the app, which features three AI ML models, all designed to analyze in-store data and generate insights. Let's start with frequently bought together. This model helps the store or merchandising manager identify combinations of products that are likely to be bought together and or are suboptimally placed, surfacing a number of revenue generating opportunities. I start by selecting a store or the entire retailer chain. Now I see products ranked by strength of association, a statistical calculation that represents how likely customers are to buy these products together due to their relatedness and not random chance. I also see the time taken between picking up both products, which is a measure of how far apart from each other are the products likely placed. As a store manager, I can use this information in two ways. A, I can stand up a bundled offering of cottage cheese and smoked salmon and tap into subconscious customer demand that way. And or B, I can move salmon closer to cottage cheese for easier discoverability. Both are legitimate ideas driving sales at retailers currently. Scrolling down, I can also use the product specific drill down view as one way to make my product clearance strategy more data driven. So in this case, I might be looking to clear inventory of coffee pods and seeing that I can bundle coffee pods and tea Earl Grey together, I potentially can mark down the bundle and clear shelf space faster. The second AIML model on offer is product substitutes, which identifies products that customers are likely seeing as simple alternatives to one another. Here, AI technology builds up a product context for each product, in this case, almond milk, number 794, by analyzing what other products were put into the basket in the same session and the sequence in which all products were picked up. Products are then compared based on their context. The more similar the context, the higher the chance of two products being identified as substitutes. Here in the simulated example, after selecting the store or the retail chain and the product, in this case almond milk 794, I see up to three recommended substitutes for this product. Details on relative and absolute sales performance and placement relative to the selected product. Retailers are using these insights in two ways. A, rationalizing their inventory, weaning out products, like in this case organic milk, that may just be cannibalizing sales of another item. Or B, at times when inventory is running low for, say, almond milk, they will stock more of a substitute product, let's say organic milk, so as to not lose sales. The final AIML model to showcase today is foot traffic forecast. The model takes as inputs historical data on foot traffic and external data like local holidays and produces traffic predictions, enabling a retailer to anticipate customer footfall and adjust store activities accordingly. This dashboard has four key areas: top level filters for store and the day for which you're interested in a prediction, KPIs that cover forecasts for the selected day as well as the week, and comparisons against actual data from the previous week. Time series graphs that show predicted foot traffic by hour of day, by day over the next 7 days, and finally, a consolidated view that lets you quickly identify spikes and slumps as a two-dimensional grid of hour by day. Armed with this data, retailers can develop optimized staffing schedules that align with peak and trough periods, schedule tasks such as shelf replenishment and restocking before peak hours, optimize restocking schedules based on footfall patterns. To sum up, retailers are using all the models that we saw today, combined with smart store KPI tracking and immersive visualizations to take day to day decisions on store operations, store layout, product catalog, shelf placement, inventory, and more. In turn, these decisions are helping retailers continuously enhance the in store shopping experience and realize needle moving gains in business performance. Thank you.